Budding Kinder. Hi buddies, welcome to Budding Kinder.
Merry Christmas to everyone.
Today we are going to do this beautiful angel out of paper. It is very easy. Let's see how to make it.
To make a standing angel, we need a 20 by 25 centimeter rectangle golden paper. You can use any attractive color. A styrofoam cube to make the angel stand. And to decorate it, I have a golden tape. A wooden bead for angel's head. I have painted angel's face on the bead. You can also use any ready-made head beads with a hole in it. A golden tinsel stem about 10 cm long. And a wooden toothpick. First, fold the paper in half lengthwise. Open and mark the center fold with a pencil. If you want short wings for your angel, make it 4 cm. For longer round wings, make 6 cm. It depends on how you want your wings. Starting at one end, make fan folds all the way to the other end. Make the folds as small as possible so that you will get more edges that looks beautiful. After completing, open the folds and cut along the center line that is marked already. Before you cut, make sure there are same number of folds either side of the center line. If not, move to the next fold to even the folds on each side. Now bend the tinsel stem to form a small halo at one end. And insert the other end into the wooden bead head. Now the angel's head is ready. Now take the folded paper and fold the wings down on either side of the angel along the cut. Now place the tinsel stem with angel's head in between the center fold at the back side. Now pull and twist the other end of the stem securely around the neck. You may have to trim off the excess stem if any. Now glue the inside of the wings to the dress part. Do it in the other side also. Now turn the angel's back and stick a toothpick below the dress part with the pointed end extending little out. Pinch the fold together to conceal the toothpick and let it dry. The toothpick should be little out like this. Until the angel dries, let's decorate the cube. You can decorate it as you like. I have decorated my cube. Now take the angel after it completely dried. Stretch all the foldings properly. Now I am going to decorate my angel's neck using a silver flower. You can use anything like tiny bow, small flowers, etc. Finally, make your angel stand on the decorated cube using the toothpick carefully. Now your beautiful standing angel is ready. Use it for your Christmas decorations.
I hope you enjoyed my today's video. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye buddies.